Establishing base health parameter is very important. Now this has been a research which is the Bharat study, a very important initiative which is to establish the healthy benchmark in India. So 95% of the genome data that we use in the research is based on the ancestries of European line, and there is a critical gap when you are diagnosing the same and treating the population in India. So to address this issue, the core ideas have been adopted, and that includes to establish a new baseline for Indian population that includes a healthy aging, the genetics, the lifestyle and the environmental factors, then identifying the gaps that are there in providing accurate diagnostics, using AI to understand the pattern and predict the human health for future, and then promote a healthy lifestyle. So if we look onto this graph, we would understand that the healthy structure of the lifestyle somewhere runs at around 60 years, which has 62 years, which is the projected healthy life expectancy. However, the actual one should be somewhere around 72. Now this is a huge gap of 10 years which is visible, and this is a gap between the real life expectancy on ground and what should be the healthy life expectancy in India as per the data which is based on the European ancestry data. Now another important thing that we have factored in is the rise in non-communicable diseases in India. So it is believed that by 2040, Parkinson's cases would increase by 150%. The cases of dementia would rise by nearly 197% by 2050, which is a very high numbers. Now again, it's important to understand that a common picture does not fit every nook and corner of India. So if we talk about the North India, the parameters for the optimum level of, let's say, using vitamin D are different. For South India, they are much higher. For East, they are relatively less, but for West, they are higher. So again, this data varies from region to region within India as well. Now, with the help of AI, the data can be well collected, analyzed using AI. Early biomarkers could be identified to detect diseases like dementia, diabetes, and then better outcomes could be projected. So if we look onto the average life composition of an average Indian, it is believed that a healthy Indian spends nearly 86% of their life normally, but 13% of their life goes into chronic illness. So again, that has to be addressed with the idea of healthy lifestyle. So this was about establishing base health parameters in India, a very important study by Bharat, and this study, the Bharat study, has been done by IISc Bangalore. So very important standards for Indian health journey. Thanks for joining in.